What's up, Spot Squad? Today, we are taking a standard photo of LeBron James and turning it into glowing effect masterpiece using Affinity. This technique will make your designs instantly stand out. Let's break it down step by step. First, drag your LeBron image straight into Affinity Photo. Grab the selection tool from the left toolbar. Carefully select the subject. Take your time around the edges. Once you have a clean selection, hit delete on your keyboard to instantly wipe out the background. Now duplicate your isolated player layer 3 times. To make our neon glow pop, we need a dark canvas. Go to Layer, select New Fill Layer, and set the color to pure black. Place this black backdrop right behind your player layers. Click on your second player layer and hit the FX icon at the bottom to open Layer Effects. Check the box for outer glow. Pick a vibrant light burgundy color. Set the intensity to 72%, the radius to 82 pixels, and the opacity to 70%. Set the blend mode to screen. Group the bottom player layer and the black background together, and name it background dot. Next, add 2 new pixel layers right above your background group. Group them together, name it back glow. And switch the group's blend mode to screen. Open that group. Select the bottom layer and use the Flood Fill tool to paint it black. On the top layer, add a gradient map adjustment and dial in your burgundy to black gradient colors. Grab the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is set to white. Drop the brush hardness way down to keep it soft. And paint directly onto the pixel layer to generate that massive ambient glow behind LeBron. Now let's bring the light onto the subject. Click your third player layer and open the FX panel again. This time, enable inner glow. Change the blend mode to screen and pick that same light burgundy. Dial the intensity to 68%, crank the radius up to 100 pixels, and set the opacity to a full 100% so the light bleeds onto his jersey. Duplicate your entire back glow group and drag it to the absolute top of your layer stack. Delete the top pixel layer inside this group and add a fresh one, placing the gradient map inside it. Change this new group's blend mode to color dodge. Shrink your brush size down, set the hardness to 10%, and gently paint right along the very edges of LeBron to create a razor-sharp edge highlight. For the final touch, select your third photo layer, add a curves adjustment, and tweak the curve to boost the contrast. Look at how that glow punches through. If this design breakdown took your Affinity skills to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more pro tutorials. See you in the next one.